Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com with Slack using OAuth. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the monday.com login page. Enter your credentials and sign in to your monday.com account. Once you are logged in, locate the profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to open the account settings menu. From the menu, select that admin option to access the administration settings. In the admin panel, find and click on the Integrations tab. Look for the Slack integration option in the list of available integrations. Click on the Slack integration to begin the authentication process. You will see an option to authenticate monday.com with Slack using OAuth. Click the Connect button to start the OAuth authentication. A new window will open, asking you to log in to your Slack account. Enter your Slack credentials and sign in. Once signed in, you will be prompted to grant permissions for monday.com. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. You will be redirected back to monday.com, confirming that the integration is successful. Take a moment to explore the Slack integration settings. Configure any preferences such as notification settings or message formats. Once you've customized the settings, save your changes. The integration is now complete, and you can start using monday.com with Slack. Feel free to test the integration by sending a sample update from monday.com to a Slack channel. Enjoy streamlined communication between monday.com and Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.